Hello and welcome to our first video. This video is pretty much an overview video. We're just going to go through the basics, and then in the upcoming videos, we're going to go deep into what Convertkit can do for you and how we can set it up. Okay, so first of all, if you haven't signed up for your plan yet, what you want to do is to come over here to pricing. And as you can see here, it starts at $29 per month. And then it goes up to $79 per month. So if you want to get it a bit cheaper, you can pay it yearly. And when you switch this over to yearly, we see that it comes down to $24 per month. Okay, but that's, your choice. But the one thing I recommend with this is you want to make sure you start off with $29 per month. And then as you grow, you can always upgrade to the $49 and then up to the $79. Okay, so now that we have this pricing out of the way, let's go ahead and log in. So I already have an account with Convertkit. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. So I'm going to come on the top here, click on login. Right, so this is my main dashboard. It just pretty much tells me how many have subscribed today, the past 7 days, past 30 days, and also the total. So these are the total of all these forms on my account. Great. Now over here, when we mouse over these bars, it tells you as well who has subscribed from what form. So over here, you can see this is WP course. And then over here, it's DIVI University subs. So this is what you can just do to take a look and see how many subscribers are coming in. Over here on the top, we have specific navigations here for the features. So the first one is forms, which is where we are on right now. The next one is automations. So this is where you can come in and create your automations. And then we also have sequences. And over here, we also have broadcasts. Now, this is where you'd come if you want to send emails out. And then finally, on this tab here, we have subscribers. So these are the subscribers in your account. Okay, so in the next video, we are going to create a new form, and I'll show you step by step how to set it up.